We all know that feeling of staring at a computer screen while your mind wanders toward every possible distraction. The lure of a magic pill that can fix your focus and settle your thoughts is incredibly powerful. Recently, a specific focus supplement has been making some very bold claims about dopamine and mental clarity. It promises to provide steady energy and a calm mind without the use of any stimulants. For anyone who feels like they are constantly vibrating from too much caffeine, the formula includes a mix of ingredients like specific herbs and various essential vitamins. It also uses a high-quality form of magnesium and certain amino acids that are often used for brain support. On paper, these components are backed by some solid science. People use them to manage stress and support cognitive function every single day. However, we have to look at the gap between a list of ingredients and a finished bottle. Just because a herb is effective in a clinical study does not mean this specific blend will work for everyone. A single bottle will set you back about $50. That is a pretty steep price for a monthly supply of any supplement. The marketing suggests you will see a massive shift in your ability to concentrate within just a few weeks. It claims to restore your natural dopamine production and those compulsive habits that eat away at your productivity. But when you start digging into the details of the company, things get a little murky. The website used for these sales has a trust score that is shockingly low. It sits at a single digit out of 100. That is a number that should make any shopper pause immediately. There are even security warnings about phishing signals associated with the site address. On top of that, there is a lot of confusion surrounding the identity of the seller. One name is used on the sales page while a slightly different name appears on independent review platforms. This lack of transparency is a major concern when you are sharing your personal information. Customer reviews are a mixed bag as well. You will find people who swear the product changed their life. But right next to those glowing reports, you find complaints about poor packaging and broken seals. Many customers have expressed deep frustration over trying to get a refund when they were not satisfied. These signals do not mean the product is a fraud, but they certainly justify a high level of caution. It is a high-risk situation that requires you to do your homework before buying. You should verify the seller and look for third-party testing before you hand over your money. Do not let a shiny advertisement distract you from the technical red flags. Your mental health is worth the extra effort of double-checking the facts. Always read the fine print on the refund policy before you commit to a purchase. It is far better to be cautious now than to deal with a credit card headache later. Being skeptical is not a bad thing when your health and your wallet are on the line. Take the time to look for independent reviews that are not hosted on the brand's own page. You deserve to know exactly what you are putting into your body and who you are giving your hard-earned money to. Always prioritize safety over a quick fix for your focus.